What's going on, everyone? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day. In this video, we are putting up these bad boys. Today is December 1st, so now it is officially okay to put up Christmas lights. All you who put up your Christmas lights before Thanksgiving should be ashamed of yourselves. I'm just kidding. You put up Christmas lights whenever you want. I personally like to give Thanksgiving its proper due. I love Thanksgiving, so I don't like it when Christmas sort of jumps over. I mean, I went to Home Depot before Halloween, and they already had Christmas, their Christmas stuff starting to get put on the shelves. That's ridiculous. Give Thanksgiving its due, people. But anyway, now is like the first chance I've had to actually hang lights. Probably the last chance I have for a little while, so I need to get it done now. I personally am a big fan of the clear white icicle lights. For some reason, not a lot of people like them anymore. They're going to the C9 bulbs, the big fat bulbs, and that's fine. They have a nice clean look too. For some reason, I just think when I use the icicle lights, I get a nice full roof line of light because you have lights, the strands like every 12 inches apart or so, and then you have 4 to 6 inches of additional light coming down. So I just think it looks fuller, and that to me, I like that look. So that's why I go with the white icicle lights. Eventually, if these ones go bad, I will probably move to the C9s, but for now, I want to stick with my icicle lights because I think they look awesome. I also put some net lights on my 4 big boxwoods, and then I also have some string lights that I put up. One of my pillars is by the front door, and then my big tree in the front yard. So I get a lot of light put out, and I just like the look of it. Very clean. You know, I don't know if people call it classy, but I just think it looks really clean, and it's just really pretty. So that's what I'm gonna do. Also, I hate climbing on ladders. I don't mind the A-frame, but when I have to extend the A-frame out to just a straight ladder, but I also have to climb on the roof, which I hate climbing on roofs even more than I hate climbing on ladders. But for the minor inconvenience of that, I love the end result of having a really well-lit house for Christmas. So I'll deal with it. So anyway, let's go ahead and get some lights put on this house. Welcome to day number 2 of this job, as I tend to do, and yes, I have shaved off the mustache. It's December 2nd, the month of Movember is over, the meaning behind it is still around. I'm just not gonna represent it by a mustache. But last night, as I was getting ready to plug in extension cords and all these things to get everything all finally wired up, I realized that I did it backwards, and so when I went to plug in an extension cord, I realized, oh hey, I don't have an actual plug for this section. I don't have the male end to plug in. And the part that I messed up on was the part that I hate the most, which is the roof section. As you saw, I don't like climbing up on the roof. So, but obviously, of course, if I'm gonna mess up, that's gonna be a section I mess up on. I gotta climb the roof again. Yay. I'm gonna leave my microphone on. We'll see if I get a clip or two that I can put on here to show me using, or to put up. I'm gonna leave these clamps on, the holders. They may work fine. But we'll see. I hate this so much. It's so stupid. Oh gosh, please be with me. So that is it for this video. I give Christmas a hard time, but that's just because I love Thanksgiving too, and I want Thanksgiving to get its proper due before we start doing all the Christmas stuff, you know? Does that make sense? But, I hate climbing that roof. I do. But then my kids' reactions when they come home from school and the lights are on because I have it on the timer, and they're like, Dad, look at the house. It's so beautiful. It's awesome. Wow. My daughter, she doesn't say all those words. She's like, wow, wow, light, wow. That being uncomfortable on the roof is worth it in the end because of their reaction. So, I'm okay with it. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment below. When do you put your Christmas stuff up? Is it before Thanksgiving? Is it after Thanksgiving? Do you put it up at all? And anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day. God bless.